This is a unknown Union cut oval that Nigby sent me. Look at the wording on that. It's got some interesting pins. I don't know what they are. I haven't taken it apart. But it never seems to do the same thing twice. Alright, so to try to get into it, I'm going to use the Lock tools and 31 thousandths. I'm going to use one of these deeper hooks that Charles Watt sent me. This one is multi-pick. It's from the Lock Noob set, I believe. So, let's see. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, something on 3. Maybe something on a 4, 5, 6, maybe something on a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I just had to push 2 up farther, and that is the Union with the crazy wording from Nigby.